you assess this man in his pursuit to power, it was riddled with bloodshed. He left nothing but blood and carnage in the wake. And it was cemented through lies, deception, and falsehood. And that's well documented. Which brings me to a little information I wanted to pull up, which is more of an indictment against the so-called white man, but it also proves the characteristics, the true nature of the so-called white man. Now, the source of this information is from history.com, and it reads, broken treaties with Native American tribes, timeline, which it outlines the various treaties in which these devils broke. The treaty with the Delawares, Treaty of Fort Pitt, Treaty of Hopewell. See? The Treaty of Fort Wayne. This devil, Andrew Jackson, an Indian Removal Act of 1830. See? Different treaties in which these devils broke.